Ryan Hummel here, starting with the topic of start at the highest point first. So the highest pertinent point in this landscape is the roof. You bring the roof water down, you store it in a tank. I believe this is a 600-gallon tank, so not a whole lot. When it gets full, it flows out and flows down. This client was having some problems with their driveway eroding away. The water was just funneling down here all the way down, so you saw the little speed bump I did earlier. This little speed bump is almost imperceptible, but the water nose level. So you can see the microdetritus berms building up, microdetritus berms building up, microdetritus berms building up. In that really big rain that we had, there might have been a little bit of overflow here, but still not much. I'm taking all the water that used to flow straight down the road and directing it off over into the woods. You can see lots of sediment accumulation here. So I'm going to come and actually dig some of this sediment out and beef up the berm a little bit. I want it to be nice and gradual so that even a small low-to-the-ground car can go over it easily. I added some better soil and planted some wildlife habitat. So lots of wildflowers for pollinators. All the water again is still staying off of this driveway area. I beefed the driveway area up. We're probably standing on 6 inches of new soil from the pond that we dug. Again, you can see the microdetritus berm, so no water flowing over the road. And all this water comes and avoids the driveway, never flows down the driveway, no place to flow down the driveway. And I mean, if it rains really good here in an hour, I'll show you it working, you know, in actuality. But the water comes down and rushes off. I take it right back to the street. It goes underneath the culvert pipe underneath his driveway, and then I'm going to catch it again and pull it back onto the property. So you can do anything you want to with water as long as you let it go downhill. So contours are a really key concept, and so is a very, very slight slope. I believe that in that 200 feet, we only drop about 1.5 feet. And so there's like less than a 1% slope, but I can move a tremendous volume of water, and I'm solving the problem of erosion of a driveway. And you can do it too. Thanks.